Everyone thinks the best-selling rice cooker is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different, especially when it comes to choosing a non-toxic option for your kitchen.
Product number 1, Kasori Rice Cooker. The Kasori Rice Cooker caught my eye right away. Priced at about $99.99, it boasts a sleek black design and an impressive array of features. If you want a rice cooker that does it all, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 18 cooking functions, this rice cooker can handle everything from white and brown rice to oats and even steamed vegetables. The fuzzy logic technology means it can adjust cooking times automatically for perfect results, which is a game changer if you've ever had burnt or undercooked rice. Plus, the 10-cup capacity is great for families, allowing you to cook enough rice for everyone in one go. It's no wonder over 7,000 were bought in the past month. People are loving this. Now, some people complained about the size of the cooker, saying it takes up a lot of counter space. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for versatility and a lot of cooking options, that space might be worth it. It's perfect for busy households wanting to save time. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different grains and need a reliable cooker. Skip this if you have limited kitchen space and prefer something more compact. For the price, you're getting a solid investment in your kitchen appliances.
Product number 2, Green Life Rice Cooker. The Green Life Rice Cooker priced at an attractive $25.97. Its compact design and vibrant cream color really caught my attention. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, non-toxic option, this one is worth your time. The healthy ceramic nonstick interior is PFAS-free, which means you're cooking without harmful chemicals. It can cook up to 6 cups of rice, which is perfect for smaller families or meal prep. The one-touch operation simplifies everything, allowing you to choose between white and brown rice with just a press of a button. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Given that over 5,000 have been bought recently, it's clear this cooker is meeting a need. However, some users mention that the cooking time can be a bit longer compared to more expensive models. But honestly, if you're looking for a simple, effective cooker that won't break the bank, this isn't a deal breaker by any means. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space but still want to enjoy healthy, perfectly cooked rice. Skip this if you need something that can handle larger portions or multiple functions.
Product number 3, Elite Gourmet Rice Cooker. The Elite Gourmet ERC006SS is another solid option priced around NAA. This rice cooker has a sleek stainless steel design that really looks good on any countertop. If you're keen on simplicity and reliability, you might find this one appealing. With a capacity of 6 cups, it can cook 3 cups of uncooked rice, perfect for family meals. The stainless steel pot is not only durable, but also easy to clean, which matters when you want to save time in the kitchen. The set it and forget it feature means you won't have to stand over it watching the pot. Just set it and it switches to keep warm automatically. Plus, with over 3,000 sold this past month, it's clear that people are enjoying the convenience it brings. That said, some reviews pointed out that the inner pot can be a bit heavy. But look, if you're after a cooker that's easy to use and clean, the weight might not be a big issue for you. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward rice cooker that does its job exceptionally well. Skip this if you prefer a more multifunctional appliance that can handle other recipes too.
Product number 4, Zojirushi Mycom Rice Cooker. Let's talk about the Zojirushi Mycom, which is priced at $169.98. This compact beauty is ideal for small families, and honestly, it really impressed me with its high-quality design. If you're serious about your rice, this is worth considering. This rice cooker features multiple settings, including a special brown rice setting that enhances its nutritional value by activating the GABA nutrients. Plus, it can cook as little as 1/2 cup of rice, which is perfect if you're just cooking for 1 or 2. Its retractable power cord makes storage easy, and it's designed to last, with many users swearing by its durability. Given its popularity, over 2,000 units sold recently, it's obviously a favorite. However, the price might be a bit steep for some. I get it. If you're just looking for a basic rice cooker, this might not fit your budget. But if you value quality and want the best cooking experience, this could be worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're a rice enthusiast who appreciates quality and versatility. Skip this if you're just looking for a basic cooker that's inexpensive.
Product number 5, Green Life Sage Rice Cooker. We have another Green Life rice cooker, but this one comes in a charming sage green color and is priced at $39.99. Its stylish look caught my eye instantly. If you want something that's both cute and functional, this might be your match. Like its cream counterpart, this rice cooker boasts a healthy ceramic non-stick interior that's PFAS-free. It can cook 6 cups of rice and features a simple one-touch operation. What impressed me is that it also has cool touch handles, making it easy to transport without burning yourself. The accurate measuring lines ensure you get the perfect rice-to-water ratio every time. With over 1,000 sold, people are clearly liking it. That said, some users mentioned that it can be a bit too compact for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for a smaller group, this is a fantastic choice that doesn't compromise on quality. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional rice cooker for smaller meals. Skip this if you often host larger gatherings and need something more spacious. So, there you have it. 5 solid options for non-toxic rice cookers. From the multifunctional Kasori to the stylish Greenlife models, each has its unique strengths. Depending on your kitchen needs and cooking style, one of these could be your new best friend.